9 health benefits of blue butterfly tea. 1. Antioxidants and anti-inflammatory. Butterfly pea flowers are packed with antioxidant compounds, called ternatins, which give them their vibrant color. These ternatins not only contribute to the flower's appearance, but also have been found to possess anti-inflammatory properties and inhibit the growth of cancer cells. Additionally, butterfly pea flowers contain other beneficial antioxidants such as kaempferol, which is known for its cancer-fighting abilities, p-coumarin acid, recognized for its anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and antiviral properties, and delphinidin-3, 5 glucoside, which enhances immune function and combats cancer cells. The abundance of these antioxidants in butterfly pea flowers contributes to various health benefits. 2. Brain boost. Butterfly pea flower is a renowned brain herb in Ayurvedic medicine, with a long history of use in enhancing memory and treating conditions such as anxiety, depression, ADHD, stress, and Alzheimer's disease. Its effectiveness is attributed to the active compound acetylcholine, which improves memory and supports overall brain health. Research indicates that consuming butterfly pea flower tea can alleviate symptoms of stress-induced ulcers and provide relief for various related disorders. 3. Improve eyesight. In addition to its brain-related benefits, butterfly pea tea also offers advantages for our eyes. The tea contains the antioxidant anthocyanin, which has been found to improve blood flow to the eyes. This is beneficial for treating conditions like glaucoma, retinal damage, blurred vision, and eye fatigue. Furthermore, it has been shown to enhance night vision and provide overall protection against eye damage. 4. Stabilize blood sugar levels. Butterfly pea flower has demonstrated its effectiveness in stabilizing blood sugar levels by inhibiting glucose intake. It has been observed to protect against cell damage and diabetes, notably. A study involving 15 men consuming butterfly pea flower resulted in increased antioxidant levels and reduced blood sugar and insulin levels. Similarly, a study conducted on rats yielded comparable findings when compared to a control group. These results highlight the flower's potential in regulating blood sugar and providing protection against diabetes. 5. Beautify skin. Butterfly pea flower is not only commonly consumed as a food, but also offers remarkable benefits when applied topically. Research indicates that it can enhance skin hydration by 70% within just 1 hour of application. This is attributed to the flower's content, antioxidants, polyphenols, and flavonoids, which stimulate the natural production of collagen and elastin. Additionally, butterfly pea flower possesses anti-glycation properties, which slow down aging process of the skin. These properties make it effective in reducing inflammation and treating skin issues such as irritation, redness, itching, and allergies. 6. Strengthen hair. Butterfly pea flowers offer benefits not only to the skin, but also to hair health. They contain anthocyanin, a powerful bioflavonoid that improves blood circulation in the scalp. This enhanced blood flow strengthens hair follicles, promotes hair growth, and has a natural darkening effect on the hair, thereby reducing the appearance of gray hair. 7. Aid in digestion. Butterfly pea tea has multiple benefits for the digestive system. Its anti-inflammatory properties help calm stomach muscles, reducing nausea and indigestion. It also possesses anthelmintic properties that inhibit the growth of harmful bacteria. Additionally, it stimulates the release of bile from the liver, acting as a gentle laxative. as a diuretic body and providing antioxidants. 8. Respiratory health. This flower is a common treatment for respiratory illnesses because of its anti-inflammatory properties. It has been shown to reduce the irritation of the lungs and other respiratory organs. It also helps in draining excess fluid buildup, making it an excellent treatment for colds and coughs. 9. Fighting diseases. Butterfly pea is a unique plant that produces cyclotides, which are specific peptides. While research on the effects of cyclotides is still in its early stages, preliminary evidence suggests that they have toxic effects on cancer cells and possess properties that combat HIV, different types of cancer, and other diseases, in addition to the potent cyclotides. Butterfly has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. It also enhances blood circulation throughout the body, offering relief from symptoms associated with various diseases. Preparation of butterfly tea. Harvest 3 to 4 butterfly pea flowers. Wash the flower with running water. Be sure to clean properly. Separate each petals. Pour hot water in a cup with butterfly pea flowers. Leave it for 1 minute. You will start to notice the color of the flower fuses with the water. Enjoy your healthy tea.